So there's another question from the participants. I think this one will be on the Lighthouse projects. But let me elaborate or rather expand that question a bit as well. So sometimes in consultation with some of our clients, right, they always ask about this Lighthouse project. All right. So how did you all identify your Lighthouse project? All right, and how do you from after you identify, then how do you motivate your team as well? Because your team will be, I'm sure, will be busy as well, the day-to-day activities within the factory. So how do you motivate them to make sure it can go team?
Okay, for us, Lighthouse project, sorry, we used it loosely, but anyway, it's a Lighthouse project. We are very focused, okay, in terms of production planning, you know, in terms of lean. The first thing that when you want to fulfill customer is always understanding the customer demand. Hence, coming up with a tag time. I think that would be for a different story, but anyway, the general information, the general knowledge should be identifying the tag time, and from the tag time, you'll be able to count the pacemaker. The pacemaker is the person, the area or the process that determines how fast production should do, whether it's upskill, whether it's upstream, downstream. So he is the person who sets the pace. So pacemaker, if you improve the pacemaker, then you will, if you're using pool production, then you expose other gaps. You know? So hence for us to choose the area for digitizing, the first area that we want, it has to be one of our pacemakers. And for us, highest value, most problem, that was the one that we looked at. So for us, it was very clear, you know, that was the one that's giving us, that will be giving us a higher value. That's the one that we are having issues fulfilling customers. So that's where we ended up in. I think the second part of the question, sorry, what was the second part of the question again?
How do you keep them motivated?
Oh yes. Well, I would like to say we bought about 20 VIPs, but it doesn't work in these days. It doesn't work in these days. I think a lot of training is required. There's a lot of information flow to them is important. So hence, I was saying that during the MCO, we were very fortunate. We actually bought all the hardware, we prepared the softwares, we actually launched it in, and then at that point of time, pop came MCO. So we had these 2.5 months to sort of brainwash, to sort of inform our workers, to sort of train our workers. You know, when we restart, what's going to happen? In fact, we did a relayout. Sorry, it's not so much on digital transformation, but when we look at the digital transformation project, we wanted to do a model line, the Lighthouse line. So we relay out, we repainted certain areas, lines, you know, so to identify clear work in progress, clear material storage, clear tools storage, and so on. So we read it, and I think to create a very pleasant working place. So when they started work after MCO, of course, during MCO, we did a lot of training, you know, tell them, we inform them that there's a new layout. These are things that you're supposed to do. The WI for each operator is done up again, you know, and translated to 4 languages because of the foreign workers, you know, we have to do that with them. And then for foreign workers, we even got them in for half a day in the plant to actually train, to actually talk to them, train them, and so on. So when we started off with a new environment, with a model line, with all the equipment in place, I believe the workers felt that it's a bottom-up activity. They felt that whatever pains that they had, we listened, and whatever pains that they have, we have already incorporated in. And the management's role is actually to support them and to help them clear their barriers. So, you know, as I again mentioned earlier, I don't believe workers would come into line with the intention of sabotaging you, with the intention of not achieving target. All of them wants and loves a pat on the back. And how do they get a pat on the back? Is when they will hit their target. And if they can hit their target with us giving the support required, giving them a nice layout, giving them a visualization, a pace that they can follow, optimum working range, I'm sure everyone will be motivated. Also, I hope everyone will be motivated. Okay, maybe Dr. Chua, you want to add on to this?
Yep, I think most important is to always have the interest of improving daily, right? Especially even for us when we started to work with new technologies to help many companies, we also keep on developing new things, keep on finding out new ways, to improve, to help many companies. So I think with the right motivation to the team, and as they continue to work with new tech, empower them to work on this kind of projects, I think the staff will remain motivated. Should be no problem.